Hi, my name is Faraz Majid and today we're going to be talking about batteries. Your vehicle battery is what keeps it going. If the battery is out, the whole vehicle is out. A new battery can last up to 4 years, and after that, it's a matter of time before you need to replace it. If your battery is over 3 years old, you should consider to have it checked regularly and prepare to replace it if needed. But what are some of the signs? Number 1, slow starts or long cranks to get it going. These are signs of a possible faulty battery. There could be other things involved, but having the battery checked is a good starting point. Number 2, dim lights or electrical issues. Since the battery is what generates the charge in your vehicle and it doesn't generate enough power, other elements will compensate. This might happen sooner depending from one user to another. Number 3, check engine light is on. This could be caused due to the lack of voltage, which prevents one component to communicate with the other. Number 4, corroded connectors. White deposits on your terminal is another sign indicating that your battery needs attention. Number 5, the battery is held in a case to protect it. In extreme heat and cold, the battery will sometimes begin to expand or crack. If your battery case is anything but rectangular, get it checked. Number 6, this is the simplest. If your battery is pushing 4 years, it's time to replace it. Replace the battery. It's an important step for vehicle health. It's an important step for your vehicle health. To make certain that everything else is running correctly, bring your vehicle to My Mississauga Chrysler if you have any concerns. Thank you for watching.